Hi friends, I'm so excited to share with you this new set of bowls and plates that Amazon just sent me. Came in this beautiful box, I love it. Came with two different sizes of plates. This is the smallest and this is the biggest. I want to show you the details of the plates. It's like beige with this little brown here. The texture is so soft. The two colors are beautiful and are made of ceramic, so are resistant. And you can use it in the microwave or in your wash machine, your dishwasher. And came with this bowl. Look, look the size in my hands, and have the same design of the other plates. And came with of four bowls, four small plates, and four big plates. So let me show you how they sit all together. As you can see, came so secure in her embouchure. So this is the way that look are set together. As you can see, it's perfect for a family of four. Look elegant and beautiful. And now we're gonna use it. So now we are using our beautiful plates for our dinner. So this is the way your set will look when you use it in your home. As you can see, look gorgeous and elegant. So I highly recommend it for you. See you.